Hello, dear students. Let's start the new topic, separation of mixture using more than one method. This topic from chapter 3 of class 8 in subject chemistry. Now open your chemistry book and let's come on the page number 28. Separation of mixture using more than one methods. To separate mixture containing two or more than two components, we need to use more than one method of separation. If a mixture containing two or more than two components, then for separating the all components to each other, we can apply more than one method to separate to each component. Now, this method which are to be used to separate such mixture are again based on the principle that different substances have different properties. So, this method is also based on the principle that different substances have different properties. As for example, to separate the component of a mixture of sand, sawdust and salt. Sand, sawdust and salt. This mixture, their components can be separated by using more than one method. First, the mixture can be dissolved in water. By dissolving, only the salt which present in the mixture get dissolved, but the sand and sawdust do not dissolve. Then we use the filtration to filter the salt solution and retain sawdust and sand. So after filtration, we filter out the salt solution because salt dissolve in the water, and retain sawdust and sand on the filter paper. Now we will again pour water in the mixture of sawdust and sand and allow the mixture to stand for some time. As a result, sawdust will float while sand will settle down at the bottom. Now, using a spoon or a skim off the sawdust from the top. Sawdust always on the top and sand settle down in the bottom. Sawdust skim off by using the spoon from the top. From the salt solution which obtained earlier, that salt solutions can be evaporated by heating or kept in the sun. After evaporation, the water evaporated and salt remain in the container. So in this process we can apply it then more than one method to separate the mixture of sand, to separate the components of the mixture of sand, sawdust and salt. First the filtration, then evaporation methods, then dissolution methods, sedimentation methods also. Okay, thank you.